So today in Minute Physics, we're going to talk about inelastic and elastic collisions. So what does that mean? An elastic collision is the forces between the objects are conservative, so no mechanical energy is lost or gained. And in an elastic collision, the total kinetic energy after the collision is less than before. So what does all this mean? To put it simply, for elastic collision, the objects hit each other and move apart. Take, for example, when you play pool. The ball hits the 8 ball and both of them just keep on moving. The equation for this is the mass of A and the velocity of A initially plus the mass of B and the velocity of B initially equals the mass of A and the second velocity plus the mass of V and the velocity after it's moved. And for an elastic collision, the objects hit each other and stick together, which simply means, take for example gumballs. The one gumball will hit the other one and then they will get stuck together. See right there, a little bit of it, and they get stuck together and they both move together. Now this, when they stick together, that means it's completely inelastic. So just remember that. And then the equation for this is the mass of A plus the velocity of A at initially plus the mass of B times the velocity of B initially equals the mass times A plus B and then multiplied by velocity of the second velocity of A plus B. So some key facts to remember here is the elastic collision, the kinetic energy is conserved and the momentum is also conserved. However, in inelastic collision, the kinetic energy is not conserved, but the momentum is conserved. And always remember that for perfectly inelastic, the objects stick together and move together. And in elastic collisions, the objects hit each other and then just keep moving.